How to apply Hayya A1 visa for family. Planning a family trip to Qatar, here's how to apply for the Hayya A1 visa step by step. The Hayya A1 visa is Qatar's tourist visa valid for 30 days and extendable. You'll need each family member's passport photo, flight details, and accommodation proof. Log into haya.qa first. So in here, make sure that you create an account on the website. And then if you don't have an account yet, you can go ahead and sign up for an account. And then after that, pay the visa fee online using a card that matches your passport country. Approval takes 3 to 5 business days, so once approved, your entry permit is stored digitally. Apply early, double check passport details, and avoid third party agents. And that's how to apply for the Haya A1 visa for your family.